Morning, welcome to another vlog. This is, I promise, going to be a short one. For all them people that don't like the long vlogs, welcome to this short one. I decided I'm going to try and do a few little quick vlogs to fit in between the longer ones, because I know there's a few people out there that won't sit through 30 minutes. So what we are, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. It's summertime, or nearly summertime. We're in June, and yeah, the sun's virtually already up. So we're just racing down to a little spot, which I may have mentioned on Facebook last night. And yeah, we're going to do a 5-minute vlog. Hopefully there's a bit of water around them. Not looking promising from what I can see, to be honest. But yeah, we're at Fleetwood Rex. We spent the night here in the bus. A bit of a restless night, to be honest. We both didn't get a lot of sleep, but I got more than the good wishes see here. So yeah, let's see if we can go and get a couple of images of these boats. See if we can get a little bit of a starburst from the sun, or sunburst. And yeah, let's make a nice little short vlog. I want to try and do a couple of long exposures if I can, so if I don't talk you through them all, at least I'll take you down and show you what we're up to. But yeah, this is for those folk that like little vlogs. I'm going to make a short one to enjoy this. Battery's low on the GoPro, didn't bring any batteries with me, that's all I'm using is a GoPro. Got the camera set up. This is what I kind of came for, this is what I was hoping for. I'd lined it up where the tide was just going out. It's going out about 15 minutes, it's been on its way out. The sun's going to come up in about another 15 minutes, 20 minutes, so between the two, everything's not bad at all. I would have liked a little bit more water, but in all fairness, this is the first time I've ever seen these wrecks with water behind them, or water around them, and they look so much different. I was here last night. I'm going to show you a couple of pictures I took last night, a couple of black, white, monochrome images, and yeah, I was quite happy with them. I took one particularly roughly where Denise is there, looking down the side of this boat with the two wrecks in front of it, and it looked absolutely peachy on the back of the camera. So hopefully when I get home, process it and show you it now, it's going to be as good as what I think it's going to be. This is the setup, polarizer. I'm not even going to tell you what they all are because it's basically the same as every time we ever come out. I've got a polarizer on the front, just trying to tinker with the glare a little bit. I've got an ND grad, which is toning down the sky. That's going to change as the sky changes. At the moment I've got 0.6 hard ND grad in, just because the sky is really bright compared to the shadows. And I've also got the little stopper in there as well. And again, the little stopper is just so I can smooth out some of this water a little bit. It's very dark at the moment, so I'm going to have to try and bracket the shot so I can use 3 different exposures, one to expose for the boat, one to expose for the sky, and yeah, and blend them all together if I have to. I do actually like this very dark shot. If you can see this on the back of the camera now, I do actually like that silhouette as well, so I might actually look at doing a bit of a silhouette image as well. I was planning on doing monochrome only, but if there's colour in the sky, there's going to be a few colour ones. But yeah, enjoy these couple of images. Sorry I'm not going to talk you through it, but this is going to be a quick one. And yeah, I'll do a little bit more B-roll, set up another camera, another exposure, set up another camera, set up another exposure, another composition, something with a bit more of a leading line, and I'll show you that one in a bit. So enjoy these couple of images, and I'll speak to you soon. Right, camera set up vertical as you can see, as I promised. I've moved up closer, got right up close to these lichens on the boat there now. Got this beautiful leading line from the bottom left hand corner, leading you up to the second thirds, or the top thirds, that comes across is where I've got the boat. And I've got this nice deep cloud up in the sky, because the sky's up in the top there, it looks really quite dark. The sun's just coming up over in the far corner now. It should be in the image, I think. Yeah, I think it should be in the image. So hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm going to wind this up now while I remember. I've been on F11, I'm going to bang it up to F16, should give me a bit of a starburst, and adjust the exposure to compensate. I've just taken one anyway. I'm going to show you the one before the sun comes up, and now I'm just going to wait. I'm going to do something I'm not very used to doing, and that's waiting. The one I've taken before, I had to focus stack it and exposure bracket as well. The tide's going out very, very quickly. I've just noticed the water's gone then. You noticed that? Yeah. The water down here has just disappeared, so if that sun doesn't break those clouds in any moment now, we are going to lose the water, because the channels are starting to drain out very, very fast. The water's already gone around the far wreck, so the image has already changed, but I've got one in the bag, so I'm quite happy with that. So like I was saying, I focus stacked, I focused on the boat, focused mid-ground, and I think I focused on the far boats as well. And then I had to exposure bracket, so I bracketed for the sky and then I bracketed for the shadows. So I'm going to blend a lot in and see if that makes a nice image. Might only get away with one, because on the 5D it's quite a good dynamic range. Anyway, that's my shot, and here's Denise's shot.
One shot. Not a clue what I'm doing, but I'm having a go anyway.
Yeah, I've shot about 6 or 7 bracket shots over there. Denise is on one shot. She set up the timer, she's got 30 seconds counting down. It looked like a long one. Yeah, 60 second shot she's gone. She's in a vertical position as well, and she's shooting that wreck there with a nice leading line by the looks of it.
Yeah, I'm not going to show you the back of the camera until I've had a
She's
look
not going to
then.
show me the back of the camera until she's had a look, because it could be completely blown out. Show us, show us, show us.
No,
Anyway,
10 seconds.
just as a quick one, we do little, not workshops, but meetups and stuff like that. But if you are interested in a workshop, you want to come out and learn a little bit more from the master, you're more than welcome.
Dark.
It's a little bit dark, but it's still pretty.
dark.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want to come out on a workshop, let us know, because I wouldn't mind doing some stuff like that. Bring you to places like these Fleetwood wrecks, take you to other places in, you know, North Wales and the Peak District and the Lake District. The colour in that's really, really nice, even the silhouette. So so yeah, give us a shout. Any skill level, I don't care. We're here to teach, here to learn. There's some lovely God rays now coming out of the top of them clouds over there. So I'm going to shut up, because I'm going to turn into a very short one otherwise. I'm going to shut up, take a few more of the images and enjoy these, and we'll speak to you in a bit. Right, well that's it, job's done. We're just now talking about going back to the van. What's the time, 5 o'clock is it?
About 20 past 5.
About 20 past 5 in the morning. Our job done is here.
5 to 6.
25 to 6 it is, yeah, we've done it. We've put the cameras away. I've had the drone out, managed to fly a little bit. So we're going to go back to the van now, back to the bus, going to make ourselves a nice cup of coffee, get ourselves a nice custard croissant that we picked up yesterday, and we're going to head down to Mary's Shell as well. So if I get down to Mary's Shell and there's still a bit of water around it, we'll take a couple of images and bob them on the end of this for you as well. But yeah, nice to see you this morning, and I hope you enjoyed this bit of a quick one, a bit random, a bit spontaneous, and yeah, till next time, and it's going to be much longer next time. Take it easy, ciao for now, bye.